So we are here today for our 2022 MSCIAA Bowling Championship. We have our girls championship between East and Whitehaven, and we have our boys / co-ed championship, and that's between East and Middle College.
You see a lot of men bowlers like in major bowling competitions, and men really bowl a whole different way than women. And so I feel like it's harder to be a woman bowler because you don't have as much strength, so you have to have a little bit more skill and accuracy associated with how you throw your ball. And I'm really glad to be here, and I'm glad to do it.
I love going against every single team that I went against. I made a lot of bonds with the different teams and everything, and I'm sad that it's my last year bowling, but I really, I'm happy that I got a chance to be a part of the bowling scene.